In tonight's episode, we will be examining sulfur and its life cycle. We will start by discussing the chemical processes sulfur experiences during its life. Chemical processes help sulfur produce hydrogen in the atmosphere. When sulfur and water in the atmosphere mix, they make sulfuric acid, which is put into the rain and onto the Earth's surface. As we can see here, sulfur is resting atop a volcanic rock. These types of rocks, normally found underground, are where sulfur can be commonly found. The ocean is also home to sulfur, as well as soil and air. Sulfur's cycle begins with the weathering of rocks. Once the sulfur is released and it comes into contact with the air, it is turned into sulfate, which is then given to organisms such as plants. Because sulfur is also found in soil, animals ingest sulfur unknowingly through the plants they feed on. Let us watch as this newly released sulfur is searching for a plant to latch on and treat as a reservoir. This common deer is about to feast on this small tree that faucets sulfur, and will remain unaffected. We will check back on this fawn later in the episode. Here we see how a common citizen releases deposits of sulfur into the air. The burning of oil and gasoline that contains sulfur releases the chemical into the air, which could create acid rain to pour onto the Earth's crust. As well as gasoline and other fossil fuels, the mining of coal can release sulfur.
It's coal.
Thank you.
How about we check up on that deer from earlier? Oh dear, we see that the fawn was killed by a hunter. Once dead, the decomposed body of many organisms release sulfur back into the Earth's crust, causing the whole cycle to start anew. Sulfur is now free to run through its cycle without any disruption or delay. Join us next time on Chemicals in the Wild. Thank you for watching.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man.